Exceptional, very good hotel. Great location. The Fern Residency Noida located in great location. We are frequent visitors of this hotel. Front desk staff was courteous and helpful, especially Ms. Komil. Best to stay at Noida. We have stayed for one night here. The rooms were spacious and cleaned. Food was amazing. We'll visit again. Exceptional vice, nice hotel and stay. Good stay, love the stay. Extremely polite staff and clean rooms. Excellent, excellent. Exceptional, amazing experience overall. Exceptional, the staff was really good, rooms and washrooms were clean. Service is great. Due to some sustain of color on floor mat and hand towel, they charge 1000 Rs. It is not fair. Good one to stay. It was good experience with very good service. Breakfast was amazing and best in class. Excellent, clean hotel with good service. Good service, staffs are exceptionally good at work. Room service, good one. Excellent ambience with luxurious facilities. We stayed as stopover to and fro Himachal trip. The experience was very nice. Room had all the needed amenities for a comfortable stay. Food price is little higher side but quality is good. Formal, it is good hotel in every aspects including fooding, staff, and facilities. Exceptional, humble staff. Great one, great stay. Had a good experience. Exceptional, good place. Good choice. This hotel has really good food and very supportive staff. Victory hand. Official visit, very nice place for official visit. Exceptional, very good hotel.